In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can prevent your SQL Server high availability group from failing over automatically. Now, there are two steps to this. You may be familiar with setting that option at the availability group level, right? That's what we're going to be looking at first, right? But that option doesn't prevent it from automatically failing over if there is a critical error in your SQL Server log or if you rebooted the server. So let's look at this option first. So I'm going to go on properties on my availability group. Let's maximize this. And you want to ensure that your failover mode is manual. The next thing you want to do is launch the Failover Cluster Manager. Once you launch the Failover Cluster Manager, expand the cluster node, select roles, select the name of the availability group, and then select resources. Right click on the resource and then select properties. So if it's not coming up like mine, you can select properties from the left pane under the actions window. Then here you select properties and then you want to change your failover condition level to 2. Now what does this mean? Let's go on the original documentation. So this is the failover policy for failover cluster instance. So let's scroll down. It should be here. So I set it to 2. So manual restart on failure or restart of server. And 1 and 0, no automatic failure or restart. And 0, no automatic failover or restart. So if you keep it at 3, then if you get a fatal error or critical error in your server log, then it will automatically fail over. So these are the options that are available to you to prevent or minimize that automatic failover. So I'll be setting it to 1, right? So apply and then select OK. This does not need a restart. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.